ALC Hosting Networks, your hosting and cloud partner.
Today, we'll show you how to create a domain-based mailbox in your cPanel account, so you can get your email up and running. First, log into your cPanel. We have a separate video for this process. If you need it, in your cPanel's main menu, scroll down to the Email section, and click on the Email Accounts menu. Then, click on the +Create button. In the domain field, select the domain you want to create an email account for. In the Username field, enter the alias for the email address. Then, set a strong password for your mailbox in the Security field. Once it's all set, hit +Create, and a new mailbox is created. It's that simple. Thank you for watching. Feel free to post any questions under this video, or check out our knowledge base at alchosting.net for more tips and support.